on, you gotta put some clothes on. Get up, Columbus Police.
On March the 26th, 2022, at approximately 8:42 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the alley behind Powhatan in the Westgate neighborhood of Columbus, Ohio. The call was about a vehicle that was parked blocking a garage with their seats back and people doing something strange in that car.
Yeah, I am. I'm in the alley behind my house, and come on, let's go. And there's a car in the alley, and somebody's got their seat kicked back, and I don't know if they're sleeping. I don't know what they're doing. I saw some legs. Can you send somebody out?
When the officer arrived on scene, he found two women who had taken their clothes off and were interacting with each other. I'll let you see the officer's response yourself in the video. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Hello? Come on, you gotta put some clothes on. Get up, Columbus Police. Hello? Guys. Guys, you gotta put some clothes on.
Come on, bro. Stop.
What's wrong with her?
It's me. I'm Murray. I'm Murray. Get out. I'm my truck. I'm rude. Yeah, look, pull it up, little girl.
This ain't no place to have sex, you guys.
Hey, baby. We was drinking. How you doing?
Well, you probably shouldn't say that on my camera now, should you?
She okay?
No, you're in the driver's seat and you just told me you were drinking.
You said what?
So you're in the driver's seat and you told me you were drinking.
I have been, but I'm okay. We not drinking.
Your car's running. It's illegal. So now you're gonna turn it off. Where do you stay at?
At my mama's house over there.
Which is address? No, we were having sex in the car is what we were doing.
Us? Well, me and my wife.
Okay. Is that legal?
We do not have sex in the car.
Why is she taking her pants off then?
Who?
You.
First of all, if I took my pants off, I must have had to pee.
Were you peeing on her then? Because your pants were coming off.
I had to take them off.
Why?
First of all, we sit in the car.
Well, first of all, you're doing it out in the public, which is illegal. If y'all want to do that, I get a hotel room.
We can, but we mind each other's business, but we are a reminder of it. Are we bothering you?
Yeah, you are. You're bothering people who live here. Who called me.
Radio Desk 19.
And you ain't driving nowhere.
I'm not.
So I suggest you guys get dressed and you walk somewhere. Or you get somebody here to drive this car.
We can get somebody to come.
Okay, I'm waiting here for you to do that.
Okay, where your phone is.
Don't put that car back in the ignition.
Yeah, go ahead, because
So get on your cell phone and call somebody who has a driver's license to come drive this car.
nobody bothers us, so I'm trying to figure out where it's coming from.
Sir, I need one of your cars for guard duty. Apparently wasn't sent at 8:30 to 10:30 at
Did you hear me?
headquarters information desk.
Turn that shit off. I already do.
Okay, do you have a cell phone?
We got one right here.
Okay, make a call.
Okay, I'll talk with him.
Thank you.
Where's my
Do not turn that key on.
It's her.
Do me a favor. Give me that key. Give me the key, please.
What?
Because she's not starting that car.
She's turning it off. She's not giving you her key.
I'm sorry, she's not what?
Babe, don't do that. It's okay. We're just fine. I think my mom called.
Well, you need to make a call then, shouldn't you?
Turn that shit off. Babe, I'm sorry. Like, that's annoying as fuck. I was right there. Turn it off. Damn. They pissed me over here. I don't know. We ain't doing shit.
They said you're blocking their driveway. They're blocking their garage.
How are we?
Yeah, you are.
Oh, we sorry. We don't mean to bother nobody or nothing, but we had to.
But then I walk up on y'all and you got your pants off, girl.
Our pants is on and off.
Your pants were off.
Like a mohawk.
You can't be doing that out here.
We talk shit to you.
This is Westgate, man. They don't like any of that stuff.
Alright. Westgate?
Yes, Westgate.
I don't know what Westgate is.
Westgate's kind of like Dublin for the west side.
That makes sense.
We say your grandma.
Bother nobody though.
Well, you are. Number one, you're parked in front of someone's garage. They can't get out.
We park here because you put us over.
I did what? I didn't pull you over. How much you been drinking?
Wait a minute, but we about to get my daughter.
After waiting with the car for approximately 45 minutes, a sober and licensed driver eventually arrived on scene and transported the vehicle as well as the two women away from Westgate. And the rest, they say, is history.